Australian-listed Aspire Mining Limited is a coal exploration and development company with a focus on discovering and developing world-class coking coal projects in Mongolia. Mongolia is a landlocked country, a nation rich in resources, and shares borders with Russia and China, two of the world's largest consumers of coking coal. Aspire's flagship Ovoot Coking Coal Project lies within the Havsgal province in northern Mongolia, which is the country's most populated province. Aspire also owns the nearby Norumt and Jilchilabag coal projects and has a right to earn into a 70% stake in the Zavhan iron ore project. While the majority of resource development is currently centred in Mongolia's south, quality projects such as the Ovoot and Nursty coal projects and Berenhan phosphate project are raising the profile of the north and will be a catalyst to bring benefits to communities in the region. Ovoot spans over 500 square kilometres, located 60 kilometres from the Russian border and 750 kilometres from Mongolia's capital, Ulaanbaatar. Exploration conducted at Ovoot to date has determined large JORC-compliant coking coal resources. Aspire's exploration campsite has grown to accommodate 120 personnel and operates throughout the year. Including contractors, Aspire currently employs 130 people in Mongolia, of which 28 are locals from within the Havsgal province. Mineralisation at the Ovoot resource ore body is hosted within a shallow syncline structure, seams dipping on average 6 degrees towards the east, with the central thick portion covering an area approximately 1 by 4 kilometres. The Ovoot resource is based on near-surface and thick coal seams. Ovoot coal displays low ash, high vitrinite content and mid-volatile matter, all contributing to higher coking yields for end users. In late 2011, Aspire made a new coal discovery 4 kilometres to the northeast of the existing Ovoot resource. Drilling in this new coal seam formation has intersected hard, bright bituminous coal across a 3 by 1 kilometre area. Aspire is continuing exploration in open areas to the northeast, east and south to determine whether this newly discovered coal seam formation links up with the current Ovoot resource. Ramping up in stages, Ovoot is capable of ultimately producing 12 million tonnes per annum of saleable coking coal from 15 million tonnes of run-of-mine material. An established power line running directly across the Ovoot tenement will provide necessary power to the project. A permanent campsite will be established 4 kilometres from the Ovoot pit in a shallow valley which provides protection from noise and weather for an anticipated 700-strong workforce at full production. Mine site administration and workshops will be located just north of the Ovoot pit. Two wash plants will be utilised on site to achieve 3 coking coal products. Aspire is making plans to upgrade roads and, through its subsidiary Northern Railways LLC, plans to build rail infrastructure between Erdenet and Moron. Northern Railways is charged with the role of financing and developing the Erdenet to Moron multi-user rail link through to the Trans-Mongolian Railway. The rail link is expected for completion by Northern Railways in 2016. Aspire will be able to access this new rail line at Moron, trucking up to 7 million tonnes per annum. As markets for Ovoot's coal develop, Aspire is planning to fund a rail spur line connecting Ovoot to Moron, thereby connecting to international rail links. 12 million tonnes per annum of product can then be loaded onto trains and delivered to customers. In addition to providing employment opportunities, bolstering tourism activity and contributing to economic improvement, this multi-user rail link also provides the crucial logistic infrastructure to connect the Ovoot mine site to the Trans-Mongolian Railway. Aspire has identified several routes to deliver coal to customers. Heading south along the Trans-Mongolian, Ovoot coal can be sold into China. Heading north and east along the Trans-Siberian rail line can see products sold from Far Eastern Russian ports to seaborne markets including Japan, Korea, China and India. Aspire Mining and Northern Railways, a catalyst for investment, employment and development in Northern Mongolia.